Good evening, YouTubers. This is Brian from Search for Deal. Today, I'm gonna break 2017 megabucks from Walmart. I found another box into from Walmart this morning. It was on clearance. I'm not a big fan of Donruss, but I mean, 15 bucks, and it comes with a 3 hobby pack. So here we go again, chasing Mahomes. Hopefully there's a... I mean, I love Donruss optics, but I'm not a big fan of the Donruss. It's a lot of cards for the money, but yeah, it comes with 10 packs. So here we go. I'm gonna open retail pack first. Just gonna go through, looking for the inserts only, and rookie. Ooh, Tom Brady. The LE series. Wow. There you go. Yeah, the edges is a little banged up, but hey, I'll take it. And rookie card is Eli McGuire. So that was okay. The indie series of Tom Brady. I'll take that. I don't know why they upside down all these cards. Oh, another hit. Legend series. Yeah. Where's this stick? Vodkas. And rookie card is Jabril Peppers. Okay. Not a bad box. Eli Manning, my guy. Tyreek. And Todd. Brady rookie, Gottman, and Dominator, Todd Gurley. It's not a number or anything, it's nice insert though. Okay. I'll take that. I don't think this last couple of boxes, I haven't pulled any number card from the Donruss, so I'm not sure they have a number card or not. Tyree. Michael Thomas. The rookie, James Conner. It's okay card. Hey, there you go. Finally, Patrick Mahomes, rated rookie. I mean, it's not optics, but I don't know. Salute to service, Denver Bronco, DeMarcus Ware. Here's a bronze. Charles Clay, press proof bronze, and Hall of Fame Kurt Warner. I think I pulled this one from last box. Inducted Kurt Warner. I'll take Kurt Warner anytime. But yeah, Bucky Hodges for the rookie. There you go, the rookies. Taywan Taylor. I hope it was Mahomes, if the rookie. It would be nice though. You know, it's nice. I like this the rookie's card. It's a nice looking card. Oh well, it's not Mahomes. So okay, that's done for the retail. Now we got the 3 hobby packs, which comes with the 10 cards. It's basically same, but it's a hobby box, I guess. Because last time I got the point. The one is the elite rookie of Mike Williams. Salute to service, Rogers, Tabak, and Tyreek Cohen, and Ravy rookie, Arvin Kamara. Not bad. Kamara. Oops. Come on. Can we get a like Mahomes autograph? That would be nice. That'll make my day. Jenkins. Joey Bosa. The rookie is Christian McCaffrey. It's not bad. Yeah. I'll take that. It's not a number or anything, but yeah. Again, DONRUSS. I don't see a number card. The target, Demarius Thomas. Okay. Humphrey rookie card and Darwin Cook Ravy rookie. Okay, last pack. Was okay for $15, and I see gold. Tyreek Hill, CJ. No autograph or anything, but Damon Harrison. Oh, actually, it's a number. It's a die cut gold. Press proof. 21 out of 25. Nice. Actually, so it's not a bad box. Yeah. Andrew Luck and TJ Watt and Les. Oh, DD Westbrook. I got so many DD Westbrook. Okay, that's it, guys. I mean, it's not too bad for $15 on clearance. I'll probably, buy if I see on clearance again. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, press like button for me, and I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.